In this video, we're going to explore the vision feature inside TinyCommand. A lot of important information today exists inside images, scanned documents, handwritten notes, invoices, receipts, and PDFs. But reading those documents manually and extracting the information you need takes time. Vision uses AI to understand documents and turn them into structured information that you can use inside your workflows, forms, and automations. Vision comes with 6 different actions, each designed for a different use case. You can extract text, read PDFs, extract tables, extract fields, ask documents, or classify documents automatically. We'll cover each of these in separate videos. For this video, we'll focus on the first action, extract text, and build a practical use case around it. Imagine you visited a doctor and received a handwritten prescription. Most of us don't fully understand the medicine names, their purpose, the dosage, or any precautions written by the doctor. So let's build a simple workflow that helps explain a medical prescription automatically. We'll start by creating a simple form. First, I'll add a welcome screen. I'll name it Dr. AI and add a short description. Next, I'll add a file upload question. Here, I'll ask the user to upload their medical prescription. Next, I'll add an email question. Here, I'll simply ask the user to enter their email address. We'll use this later in the workflow to send the AI-generated prescription analysis directly to their inbox. Once the prescription is uploaded, we'll process it using the extract text action. So I'll add a vision node and select extract text. Extract text is an OCR powered action that can read text from scanned documents, screenshots, images, receipts, invoices, and even handwritten notes. Now let's configure it. The first thing we need is the file URL. Since our user uploads the prescription through the previous file upload question, I'll simply map that file URL into this field. Next, you'll notice an image enhancement option. Sometimes uploaded images are blurry, tilted, or not perfectly clear. If you enable this option, TinyCommand enhances the image before performing OCR, helping improve the accuracy of the extracted text. Once that's enabled, the node will return the extracted text along with additional information like the confidence score, line count, and the OCR method that was used. Now there's another useful feature here. Extract text doesn't only read text, it can also answer questions about the extracted content. If I enable this option, I can ask questions like, what are the names of all the medicines? What diagnosis is mentioned? The node will analyze the extracted text and answer those questions automatically. For this example, we'll keep things simple and only use the OCR functionality. Once the configuration is complete, I'll save it. Now that we've extracted all the text from the prescription, let's make that information useful. We'll let TinyGPT explain it in simple language. So I'll add a TinyGPT node inside the system prompt. I'll instruct TinyGPT to act as a medical assistant with knowledge of prescriptions and medicines. Then I'll map the extracted text coming from our extract text node. Finally, I'll define the output schema. For this example, I'll create a field called email. Once that's configured, I'll save the node. Now that TinyGPT has generated the prescription summary, the final step is delivering that result to the user, for which we'll send it directly to their email. The first field is the recipient email. Since we already collected the user's email earlier in the form, I'll simply map that email question here. Next, I'll select my sender email connection. For the subject, I'll write something like, your prescription analysis from Dr. AI. Then in the email body, I'll select the text option and map the prescription summary generated by TinyGPT. Once that's configured, I'll save the node. And that's it. Our workflow is now ready. Let's publish the form and see it in action. I'll open the form. Here's our welcome screen. Next, I'll upload a handwritten medical prescription. Then I'll enter my email address where I want to receive the AI-generated prescription analysis. Once everything is filled in, I'll submit the form. As soon as the form is submitted, the workflow starts. Extract text. First reads the prescription and converts all the handwritten content into text. Then TinyGPT analyzes that text and generates an easy-to-understand explanation. After a few moments, the workflow completes successfully. Now let's open the email. As you can see, we've received the prescription analysis generated by Dr. AI. The email contains a simple explanation of the medicines, their purpose, dosage instructions, and any precautions based on the uploaded prescription. This creates a much better user experience because users can easily refer back to the analysis whenever they need it. Of course, you can customize this output based on your own use case. So that's how you can use the extract text action inside the vision feature in TinyCommand. And honestly, all it takes is a tiny command,